Good morning. Ito na yung outcome. Oh, malinis na. This is the tree that covers with weeds. It's nearly suffocated. Oh, half of the branch is dead. But now, look, I'm gonna try to water them now. Malinis. Yan na, oh. Plant boxes needs weeding as well. So, yeah. Oh, all the cacao on the right side. It's all done. Not yet. Still doing grass cutting and pruning. Yeah. Siga, oh. We're burning leaves. So this one, I'm gonna water them. Water na. Ito yung puno o mangga. Bugnay with fruits. Bugnay with fruits. Ito. Oh, that's the fruits of bugnay. And this one, there's still flowering. Plenty flowers. Kay Mito. Guyabano. Giant mango. Dalandan. May bananas. Oh. I will water them to mag-swell up lang.